Looking for a luxury all-inclusive resort that delivers both elegance and value? Let's dive into what makes Majestic Elegance Costa Mujeres one of the most talked-about destinations near Cancun. This five-star beachfront property opened its doors in 2018 and has been making waves ever since, earning impressive ratings across multiple platforms. With a 4.5 out of 5 on TripAdvisor and 8.9 out of 10 on Booking.com, this resort clearly knows how to keep guests happy. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. When it comes to accommodations, Majestic Elegance Costa Mujeres doesn't mess around. The resort offers 3 main room categories, each designed with modern tropical elegance in mind. Starting with a junior suite ocean view, you get approximately 484 square feet of space featuring either a king bed or 2 doubles, perfect for couples or small families. These rooms come loaded with amenities including air conditioning, flat-screen TV, minibar, coffee maker, safe, free Wi-Fi, bathrobes, slippers, and 24-hour room service. The private balcony with ocean views is definitely a highlight, and a luxurious bathroom with rain shower adds that extra touch of comfort. These rooms can accommodate up to 3 adults or 2 adults with 1 child, making them versatile for different travel groups. The nightly rate ranges from $250 to $400 depending on the season, which is pretty reasonable for this level of luxury. Step up to the master suite oceanfront, and you're looking at 753 square feet of pure indulgence. These suites feature a separate living area, king bed, floor-to-ceiling windows, and a private terrace that puts you right on the beach. The amenities get an upgrade too, with a jacuzzi tub, enhanced minibar, upgraded toiletries, and an espresso machine for those who take their coffee seriously. The direct oceanfront views are absolutely stunning, and the suite can handle up to 3 adults or 2 adults with 2 children. Expect to pay between $450 and $700 per night for this level of luxury. At the top of the food chain is the presidential suite, a massive 1,615 square feet of pure extravagance. This multi-room suite features 2 bedrooms, a living room, dining area, and here's the kicker, a large terrace with its own private pool. You also get butler service, because why not? The suite accommodates up to 6 guests and offers panoramic ocean views that will make your Instagram followers seriously jealous. The price tag ranges from $1,200 to $1,800 per night, but when you're splitting it among 6 people, it becomes more reasonable. All rooms feature modern tropical decor with neutral tones, wooden accents, and large windows that maximize those Caribbean views. The dining scene at Majestic Elegance Costa Mujeres is where this resort really shines, offering 4 distinct restaurants and bars that cater to every taste and mood. La Trattoria brings authentic Italian fine dining to the table with fresh pasta, seafood specialties, and all the classics you'd expect from a top-notch Italian restaurant. The menu highlights include risotto, handmade gnocchi, tiramisu, and fresh seafood pasta that would make any Italian grandmother proud. Open for dinner from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m., the restaurant maintains a smart casual dress code and can accommodate around 80 guests. Reservations are recommended, especially during peak season, and they host wine pairing nights monthly for those who want to elevate their dining experience. The elegant indoor setting with ocean views creates the perfect romantic atmosphere. El Patio takes you on a journey through traditional Mexican cuisine with modern twists that respect the authentic flavors while adding contemporary flair. The menu features tacos al pastor, mole poblano, fresh ceviche, and churros that will transport you straight to the heart of Mexico. Operating for both lunch from noon to 3 p.m. and dinner from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m., this restaurant maintains a casual dress code and can seat about 100 guests. No reservations are required, but the special events like Taco Tuesdays and live mariachi performances on weekends make it worth planning around. The open-air courtyard setting with vibrant decor perfectly captures the spirit of Mexican hospitality. The grill focuses on premium cuts of meat and fresh seafood, making it the go-to spot for carnivores and seafood lovers alike. The menu highlights include ribeye steak, lobster tail, and grilled shrimp skewers that are cooked to perfection. Open for dinner from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. with a smart casual dress code, this intimate venue seats around 70 guests and reservations are recommended. They host special surf and turf nights that are particularly popular among guests. The cozy indoor setting with rustic accents creates a warm, welcoming atmosphere that's perfect for special occasions. Finally, the swim-up bar keeps the tropical vibes flowing with cocktails, fresh juices, and light snacks right in the pool. Operating from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily, this poolside paradise requires nothing more than your swimwear and a good attitude. The daily happy hour from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. is the perfect time to try their signature tropical cocktails while soaking up the Caribbean sun. The pool and beach facilities at Majestic Elegance Costa Mujeres are nothing short of spectacular, offering 5 distinct pools that cater to different moods and age groups. The crown jewel is the infinity pool, which seems to blend seamlessly with the Caribbean horizon, creating those picture-perfect moments that social media dreams are made of. The main pool measures approximately 25 meters in length with depths ranging from 1.2 to 1.8 meters, making it suitable for both serious swimmers and casual splashers. The swim-up bar pool is where the party happens, allowing guests to sip tropical cocktails without ever leaving the water. For families traveling with little ones, the children's splash pool provides a safe and fun environment where kids can play while parents relax nearby. The adults-only pool areas offer a more tranquil experience for those seeking peace and quiet. All pools operate from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. year-round, with poolside services including drink and snack service, towel service, and comfortable loungers with shaded cabanas for when you need a break from the sun. The beach access is simply outstanding, featuring approximately 1 kilometer of pristine white sandy beach that stretches along the calm turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea. The beach offers a variety of water sports including kayaking, paddleboarding, snorkeling, and beach volleyball for those who want to stay active. The beach service includes comfortable lounge chairs, umbrellas, towel service, and food and drink service, so you never have to leave your spot in paradise. The calm waters make it perfect for swimming, while the white sand is ideal for long romantic walks or building sandcastles with the kids. The beachfront location puts you right in the heart of the action, while maintaining that exclusive, secluded feel that makes Majestic Elegance special. When it comes to activities, this resort ensures that boredom is never an option, offering something for every type of traveler and energy level. The fitness center is equipped with modern cardio machines including treadmills and bikes, free weights, and resistance machines that cater to both casual exercisers and serious fitness enthusiasts. The facility operates from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m., giving early birds and night owls plenty of flexibility. Group fitness classes include yoga, Pilates, and water aerobics, though the schedule varies seasonally. Personal training sessions are available upon request for those who want customized workout plans or professional guidance. Beyond the fitness center, the resort offers a variety of recreational activities that take advantage of the beautiful coastal location. Water sports are a major highlight, with kayaking and paddleboarding available right from the beach. Snorkeling equipment is provided for those who want to explore the underwater world, and the calm, clear waters make it perfect for beginners. Beach volleyball courts provide a fun way to stay active while soaking up the sun, and the soft sand makes diving for those impossible saves a little less painful. The resort also organizes various cultural activities that give guests a taste of authentic Mexican traditions and history. Weekly entertainment includes live music performances, themed parties, and cultural shows that showcase local talent and traditions. The entertainment team works hard to create engaging programs that appeal to different age groups and interests, from dance lessons to cooking demonstrations. For those who prefer a more relaxed pace, the resort offers quiet areas where you can simply enjoy a good book while listening to the gentle sound of waves lapping at the shore. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.